The 11th annual Nicole Conway Volleyball Tournament returns this weekend. The event continues to be special for people in the Lancaster County community whose lives have been directly impacted by addiction. And here to tell us all about it this morning, Ben McCoy, CEO for Blueprints for Addiction Recovery. Good morning, Ben. Thanks so much for coming in. I want to talk about this. You've been doing this for 11 years, going back to 2013. How did it all get started?
Well, the tournament's namesake, a young woman named Nicole Conway, tragically lost her life to substance use disorder and overdosed in 2013. And at the time, the sober living organization she was living at, the founder of which is also a co-founder of Blueprints for Addiction Recovery, my organization, started to put on this volleyball tournament, one, to raise money to directly benefit her son, Kason, and to get the community together to celebrate recovery, to learn about resources that existed in the community, and it has grown every year since. And the event itself directly benefits children who've lost their parents to overdose and mental illness.
So, of course, raising money is a very big part of this, but also you're talking to me about kind of getting that conversation started. Volleyball is a fun sport to come out and play. Mm-hmm. It's also fun just to kind of get together and watch if you don't play. Talk to me about the goal of this tournament.
Well, it is first and foremost to have fun, to celebrate that recovery is possible and that lives are consistently transformed in recovery. But more than that, it's to really showcase the services and resources that exist in our community in Lancaster County, in York County, in South Central Pennsylvania. We're doing a lot of really innovative work in diversion, in treatment, in recovery, and prevention. And there are people whose lives are touched and impacted by substance use disorder, overdose, mental illness that don't necessarily know how to navigate the resources that exist in the community. So beyond a day full of fun, competitive tournaments, family activities, and games, there's an opportunity for providers to show up and teach the community about the programs they provide, the resources they provide, and get people access, really, to life-saving care.
I can imagine being in a welcoming environment like that for somebody that's trying to, whether they're just starting their recovery mission, that journey, or they're in the middle of it. I'm sure it could be very helpful to those individuals. Mm-hmm. If they have never been to this tournament before, if somebody's watching at home, what do you tell those people? What can they expect?
Come on out and spend the day with us having fun. You don't have to play in the competitive tournament. Teams are 5 players. It's double elimination, but it's really hundreds of people pass throughout the day. There are family games and activities, bounce houses for the kids, crafts, face painting. It's a community of people getting together in and outside of the field, the recovery and substance use disorder and mental health field. Come out, have fun, meet people, learn people's stories, learn about resources, just have a great time.
I'm sure a lot of people at home, they're watching this, they want to get involved. How can they get involved in this event and really just help beyond it?
Make a donation. Make a donation, come out, hang out, but you can reach out to Blueprints for Addiction Recovery. My agency hosts the event, as we have for over a decade now, and make a donation. You can ask about information about where to make payments, as well as register a team, or just come out and show support.
So you can still sign up?
Oh, absolutely.
If you want to play? All right, Ben, thank you so much for joining us today and telling us all about it. Of course, we'll put all of this information on this year's volleyball tournament on our website, fox43.com.